Hi, this is Dave from Spitfire Toys, and I just received the new 2017 C case, and this is the international cards on those, and we're going to do a little opening here of that one, and I've got a bonus. This is the Ralph McQuarrie Star Wars set for the pop cultures that we'll do as well, so hold on. Let's take a look at this box. It is sealed up, sealed, and sealed. And let's get this like that. We're ready to go. Cut. Cut back a little so we can see what's in there. Alright, see a lot of cars that we saw at Kmart. Let's start off right at the top here, and that's a new one. That's the Sky Dome that was on collectors.com. I think it was last week for their sneak peeks. And we've got the Torino Talladega. I think I saw that one at Kmart in the B case. There's that one's kind of falling off there. That's the Dodge Ram in a kind of a charcoal gray with a white bed liner and interior, yellow windows. Next, the orange Porsche. That is the 993 GT2. Nice. That was also in the B case. And so was this one. Scooby-Doo. And this one was also in the B case. That's the tuned Charger Daytona in orange. Alright, next up. Ooh, this is newer. Ooh. That is the Porsche 934 Turbo. Can't tell if that has rear riders. Doesn't look like it. Nice. Speedy Perez. Ooh, yeah, that was in at Kmart as well. Very colorful. There's the Integra. Looks like something you would see on the street. The way people are customizing those. And there's the Tesla. It's the Model S. In black. A lot of reruns from the B case here. Proper Chopper. In green. And Tarmac Attack. Purple and orange. Little tiny thing. Next up, another Proper Chopper. And another Porsche. Two of each of those, and there's another Torino Talladega. Something new. Oops. Yep, that's the rigger motor in dark blue. You see the graphics on the top there. Scary face. The white-ish wheels. Another Tesla. And that's the money clip car, the Fast Cash. Now it is blue. Whoops, grabbed them at the same time. A couple of those. Those are the Ford F-150, the 2015 version in yellow and red. And we did have two of those. Next up. Another Sky Dome. You can see the seats right through the dome there. Nice. Another Porsche. And the Mountain Mauler in light blue with white wheels. And it's been a long time since we've seen this one in the basic line. That's the Countach in the tuned version. Nice. Next, Minecraft. Guess they have to get their money's worth out of that, huh? Another money clip. Fast cash. There's the Zodic. With the R on the roof. And art cars. Another Countach. Nice. And another Tesla. Third Tesla. There's the Emoticar. It's stuck between emotive. There we go. Oh, there, now it's sad. Very nice. Okay, the Drifter. Now in kind of a burnt orange with different color wheels on there. That is also the art cars. A on the roof this time. Don't know my artists like I should. Another Porsche. It's number 3 of those. Oh, they're loading me up on these trucks. That's number 3 of those. And we can see another one down at the bottom there. Mountain Mauler. And the backed Drafter. Classic fire truck red. And another one. That's the 4th F-150. Let's see what's on the bottom. Way up at the top, this one will be popular. That's the new VW. That's cool. Let's get more light on that. There we go. Yeah, it's a nice one. Red and yellow. And the SWAT version of, what is that thing? Aeropod. Guess that's what SWAT will drive in the future. Another rigger motor. It's number 2 of those. Oh, there's the new BMW. This one is the 73 3.0 CSL race car. This time it has Castrol on the hood, Castrol on the side. Nice. I like that casting. Next, the new Silverado. That's a nice deco on that one. Blacked out wheels. Red and black striping. Black bed. Awesome. And the bike. Street Stealth. There is some metal in there somewhere. Alright, next up. Hover Storm. That one was at Kmart. There's the Beamer. The M4. In the blue. The Rocket Box in yellow. It's another art car. Graffiti style on that one. Got T on the roof. Another Torino Talladega. I think that's the 3rd one. There we go. There's a nice one. That's the GTO, 67 GTO in black and yellow. It's nice. Nice to see that one back. And this is the Fairlady 2000, the Datsun. Everyone's been looking for that one. Nice looking piece. Also in the boot case. There's another GTO. It's another Porsche. It's the 934 Turbo. Cool, so that's two of those. There's the 68 Mustang, the tune style, in red. Ooh, the Tankinator. New colors, grayish. Is that for the snow? I don't know. Another one of the VWs. There's two of those. Here comes another Drifta, the orange from the art cars. Second one of those. There is the 15 Dodge Challenger, 2015. Silver and black. The red interior. There's the Monster Dairy again. Finally back. And that's another art car with a C on the roof this time. Kind of a purplish color with lots of yellow and light blue, aqua. There's the Chevy Love. It's the 72 Chevy Love. That's cool. Blue with flame deco. What is this? Howlin' Heat. Formerly a treasure hunt. Nice blue. Alright, got another Silverado. Alright. This is the 68 Nova in orange. Nice to see that one back. Orange with black flames and stripes. Cool, chrome base. Nice one. Got another Mustang. It's the 68. Tuned. Another BMW. Another one of these guys. Speedy Perez. Another Fairlady. Nice. There's another BMW with the Castrol deco. Here we go. Oh, that's a Dodge Viper. SRT 10 ACR in light blue. Looks like it came out of a video game. Alright, bottom row, Chevy Blazer. That was in the B case. It's at Kmart. Another Howlin' Heat in blue. Minecraft. Chevy Love. It's the Grass Chomper in green now. That was also at Kmart. And the last one in here is the Odyssey in red NKG spark plugs. So there you go. That is the International C case. Alright, this is the new Star Wars, the Ralph McQuarrie editions, artwork ones. This one is sealed there, sealed there, sealed there, sealed there. Alright. Cut that open. There we go. So 12 cars in here. Should be 2 sets. Right, see that highway hauler right off the top there? That's the artwork version of C-3PO, R2-D2, and Sand People on the side. Nice. Yellow and gray, with the Real Riders, of course. Metal base. Very cool. Next up. Ooh, a little bend on that card. That's the Rolling Thunder. Looks like Hoth. The Millennium Falcon and some of the speeders and X-Wing. Can't tell who's on the side there. Somebody. Next two are repeats of those two. Rolling Thunder and Highway Hauler. Rolling Thunder. G on that. And there's the Emperor giving what for to Luke on the side of a 67 Bronco. Nice. Real Riders, metal base, cool. And this is the Transit Super Van. Looks like Darth Vader. I'm not sure who he's fighting there. Is that Luke? Some sort of a gas mask type thing going on there. This is all concept art for the movies. And we've got a couple more, same thing, the Bronco and the van. Alright, last two, the Rancor monster. That's pretty close to the movie. That's a nice looking van, the Dodge A100. Looks like Luke is in the cage with him there. Or in the pit. Nice. And last one, 34 Chrysler Airflow. It's like Luke trapped and Dagobah trying to get his X-Wing out. Cool, cool. And then last two are repeats. A100 in the Airflow. So there you go. That's all 12 of them. Close up on that. So this has been Dave from Spitfire Toys. Thanks for watching.